into the basement. Boxes of Bessie. Warwood sledges. Cooper tools. Those are all boxes of individual sockets. Boxes and boxes. Got some casters. And some big ass SK wrenches right there. 2 1/16. And I'm sure they have other sizes. Pallets and pallets, pickaxes, mattocks. Got ammo cans full back there. We're starting out in the basement. Gravik. Finished claw hammers. Here's some more Warwood Tool Company. Made in the USA since 1854. That piles and piles of wrenches back there still. More hammers, framing, you name it. Got some cross pins. Got some master keys. Look just like these here on the outside, but there's a bunch more inside. Some more hammers. Man. Spud wrenches. Or ironworkers wrenches, whatever you want to call them. Scaffold wrenches. More SK. What is this guy? That's a Wright 1 7/8. It's actually got a round handle. The beam is round. Never going to be able to break that thing. And some more sockets and adjustables. All 16ths or all millimeter, depending on where you're from. Martin, Weldy, Allen. These guys right here are all Williams. Look like all 13/16. $17, $18 mil. Let's say USA. They have the name scratched out of them, so they're probably Snap-on. 6-point, 12-point. Little bitty guys. Even more, look at that Bonnie. Brand new old stock Bonnie wrenches. Looks like they got some extensions back here. Some other small 1/4-inch stuff. There's some more sockets. These are all Bonnie too, it looks like. And some cables. Little workstation. Lots more sockets. Matter of fact, couple more aisles. Bonnie. These are Armstrong. Old guys, old guys. Punches, chisels, some extensions there. Those are Wildy. More Bonnie wrenches. There's a Wildy 1/4 inch. More Bonnie stuff. Like there's stuff back there that you can't even see. They got so much of it. More Bonnie. Ratcheting flare nut wrenches. Bonnie 5/8. Can't beat it. More punches, chisels, wrenches, impacts, 1/2 inch. There's the SK 32 mil, 1/2 inch. Can't even see what's in those boxes. Facom 46. It's like 1.5 inch. Yeah. It's 1.5 inch. I can only get 1.5 thumb in there. Yeah. Rock bars. 6 foot tall rock bars. Get some Wonder bars in there. Maddox 12-pound straight pins. All those shovels back there. More shovels. More wrenches, more sockets. SK 9/16, 1/2 inch. 7/8, 15/16. They do have a labeling system here. I mean, these guys know where everything's at. You come in here and tell them you want something, they'll find it for you. All these black oxide SK wrench. 30 millimeter. More rock bars here, you can't see them, but an elevator. They're the 32-piece tamper-proof bit set. Here's more, even more sockets. SK, this is right here is even SK Wayne. Yeah, SK Wayne. There's a whole pallet of bits and sockets and wrenches. Look at that. Clipper on your belt. 8 points, that goes way back there. All the way back there. They got more crates. Got some wedges. More hammers. Brand new 2-inch SKs. So yeah, they got barrels of sockets. There's another one of them big ass wrenches there. That one's SK, or that pallet is. I don't know what that one is on top of it. The big guy there is SK. So SK makes them with the round handle too, the round beam. More sockets, boxes of sockets. Ammo cans. Full sockets. Here's a right. Forged alloy. 50 millimeter. 12.75. More Warwood hammers. Row of sockets. Peerless chain. Look at all those sockets, they're everywhere. What is this guy? 3/4 Apex 2 7/16. More big ass cross pins. And there's our Bessie boxes. Yeah,